Hey guys, as you know, me and Miss Vada are getting ready to go check out what? Dogwood Barbeque. Yes, it's a dine-in or carry-out, and they have drive-through. They are open Monday, Tuesday from 11 to 8, and then Thursday through Saturday, 11 to 8, and they are closed on Sundays. And Wednesday. So are you ready, Miss Vada?
Yeah.
All right, let's go up in here. I just want you guys to see some of the inside. Beautiful, got the old-fashioned. Miss Vada wanted y'all to see the bar a little bit while she gets her plate, so you guys can get a sample of what they do have. That's right, sweet potato, green beans, corn. That's right, Dogwood, they got a buffet, guys. Definitely got a buffet. Miss Vada's getting her what?
Beans.
Her ham and beans. Little mini cornbread. There's Miss Vada. She's here inside Dogwood. She's getting ready to try out some of her beans and her chicken and liver. That's some stuffing, right?
Yep.
And what else did you get?
I didn't get a spoon.
She didn't get a spoon. I'm gonna go get you a spoon.
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll be right back. Check it out and see what Miss Vada thinks about the taste of it. You got your beans. Do you need to add any salt or anything?
A little bit.
Give it a little bit of salt, guys. They even have their own little barbecue sauce. But I'm getting ready to try mine out with the ham and pulled pork and corn and mashed potatoes and cornbread. So is it tasting good, Miss Vada?
Yeah.
That's good.
The liver was good too.
The liver's good, she's saying too. You hear that? Okay, we're getting ready to check out CJ now. Hi everybody, it's me.
He's about to try his food.
We decided too, though, drink-wise, we're gonna try to start doing lemon water too, so might even try a little cucumber and lemon water as well. So you'll have that option as well. But I've been falling in love with this corn and mashed potatoes. Oh man, yeah. And I'll tell you about the ham. Some good ham, fresh too. Well, you know we gotta try the barbecue, right? Pork with the ham. That is good. If you get a chance, you gotta come to Dogwood here in Vincennes, Indiana.
Don't forget to tell him dessert's included.
Yes, your dessert. In most places, guys, you go to, your drinks included here as well, and the dessert. You don't have to pay separate for your drinks and all that. You're talking about good, yes. Good eating, good people. They would definitely take care of you. So other than that, guys, I'm going to finish eating. I drop some corn. I don't care. Look at Miss Vada getting ready to try what? Strawberry pie. Tastes good?
Mm-hmm.
She's eating that strawberry pie.